Hello. Have you ever wondered what the difference between different types of USB is? Well, I thought I'd do a little video and just show you. Now, that's a standard. Now that's a standard USB. This is normal type of USB that is used in most computers and other devices that you see around that you just plug in. It's quite commonplace. USB 3 looks very much like these, but just a bit thicker, but basically look like that. Then we have mini USB, which is that, which has I don't know if you can see that clearly enough, but that's what a mini USB port looks like. Then this is used for hard drives, smaller devices. It's sort of being phased out now by what's called micro USB, and I thought I'd show you the difference between the three. Now micro USB is 5-pin connector, which looks a bit different, but I thought I'd show you the difference between the three because not everyone knows the difference, and there is a bit of confusion, a bit of conflicting information out there. So that's what a traditional 5-pin USB looks like. Which tends to be used for devices such as the Samsung Galaxy phones, smartphones, and other devices.